Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Nurak. Today, we will be covering has to and have to, how we use this in Turkish with dialogues, of course. From now on, I will be focusing on more dialogues in Turkish to help you learn, easily. I hope it works well for you. Now, have to and has to in Turkish we say gerekir, 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 or you can say gerekiyor, gerekiyor, gerekiyor. Well, I will be showing you a few more different definitions, of course, in the examples, and you will use them too as well. For has to and have to, we use suffix of may and ma, just like the example of not, not in English, which is kind of negative word, but actually here it doesn't mean negative. So I will show you, of course, may after suffix of person pronoun or ma after suffix of person pronoun. Let's see the examples here. For example, I have to break. I have to break. Look, normally break is kırmak. Base form of it is like to break. For example, in Turkish we say kırmak. Well, when we use it in a sentence, for example, I have to break, that means kırmam gerekiyor. Kırmam gerekiyor. Kırmam gerekiyor. Or you can say actually kırmam gerekli. Also we use this in on daily basis actually. Kırmam gerekli or kırmam gerekiyor. Or there are many actually variations of using this have to, but most common ones, as I said here, kırmam gerekiyor or kırmam gerekli we say in Turkish. Now let's see this in dialogues. Okay. Neden bunu yapman gerekiyor? Neden bunu yapman gerekiyor? Neden bunu yapman gerekiyor? Or you can say last word here is can be gerekli. Li. Also we say here li. I will write here on the screen, don't worry about it. Gerekli. Li. Also we use this here. Okay. Gerekli. Çünkü ona ihtiyacım var. Çünkü ona ihtiyacım var. Why do you have to do this? Why do you have to do this? And you say because I need it. Because I need it. Okay, that's what I mean. That's what I mean here. Let's repeat this example here again. Neden bunu yapman gerekiyor? Çünkü ona ihtiyacım var. One more thing I would like to highlight here is ma, as I said, have to, but and here shows the person, which is you, personal pronoun. Okay. So next dialogue here is seninle konuşmam gerekiyor. Seninle konuşmam gerekiyor. Well, as I said, gerekli also we use here. Same way actually. This is the word what I mean here. Gerekli, 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 gerekli. All right. Seninle konuşmam gerekiyor. Seninle konuşmam gerekiyor. That means I have to speak, or in English you can also say this, I need to talk to you. Okay, that's what it means here in Turkish. And the next person says, what about? About what? What do you want to talk about? That's the question here. Ne hakkında? Ne hakkında? Ne hakkında? Okay, let's repeat one more time. If you want to repeat with me as well. Slowly I will say. Seninle konuşmam gerekiyor. Or you can say gerekli, gerekli. And the other person says ne hakkında, ne hakkında. So here examples, I have to and I don't have to. Well, the meaning is pretty different actually here compared to I must or I mustn't. All right, let's not go there. Let's stay here actually. Positive and negative forms. So positive form for I have to go. This is example go verb. So we use here gitmem gerekiyor. Gitmem gerekiyor. Yapmam gerekiyor. Yapmam gerekiyor. Çalışmam gerekiyor. Çalışmam gerekiyor. Which is I do this. Okay, because this is the last suffix of person pronoun. Am shows I, which is ben in Turkish. M. So when we use here negative form, which means I don't have to, I can do it, but I don't need it. So that's why we use this in Turkish like this. Examples here, please check carefully. Gitmem gerekmiyor. Gitmem gerekmiyor. Or you may hear from Turkish speakers, gitmeme gerek yok. There are two ways, okay, that we use in Turkish. Gitmeme gerek yok. Gitmem gerekmiyor. Sometimes you may hear, you may not hear the last letter of R. Okay, so just people make it softer. So gitmem gerekmiyor. So people, you may hear this. This is possible. So next example here is yapmam gerekmiyor. Yapmam gerekmiyor. Yapmama gerek yok. Yapmama gerek yok. Çalışmam gerekmiyor or çalışmama gerek yok. Okay, çalışmama gerek yok. Çalışmam gerekmiyor. All right, these are the examples I can show you. And if you have any questions about this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe and like our lessons. And of course, please share our Turkish lessons for Turkish learners if maybe they might be interested in. And one more thing, please, if you are interested in practicing Turkish language with me online, you can make sure that you can check the details of it in my previous lesson for online and face-to-face video. Please check it and let me know about it. Thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.